Bo was really nice and really cute. And he was the only one that would make me happy. Hello, are you snuggling with Scooby-Doo? My little Bo. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. You're really cute. I love you. Anyways, look at this big boy, a good boy, snuggling a cute little Scooby-Doo toy. So, when Bo was little, he was abused and got kicked and probably was kicked in the stomach by somebody, and he was chained up, and my grandma found him and took him home, and it was really bad for him, and his organs stopped working, and they're gonna have to put him down today. They're gonna have to put him down today. And this is really sad for me. It's really hard. It was really fun to play with, and he was really cute, and it's hard to know that a pet dies, and people don't want to see you this way sad, but it's normal. Love you, Bo.